Jane was giving some castle in front of us. The robo attack. Oh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Jane. I did not see you in yesterday's class.
Yeah, ma'am, we had gone out, ma'am. Ma'am, we had gone out somewhere.
Come on, children. Let me give the division so that if you are perfect, we can move ahead with one more topic. Let me share my screen. A small revision test for you. Come on, children. Take out your notebooks.
Ma'am, is it quizzes?
No, you need to write each and every step. I need to check immediately. I'm going to give you not much more.
1 minute, ma'am.
Take your rough book, your class work, and anything else. Come on, children. Pick out first. First question, 7 divided by 3.5.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Rishikesh, good evening, Nana. 36 divided by 0.2. And the third question is 3.25 divide with 0.5. Next, the fourth question was 30.94 divide with 0.7. Fifth question.
Ma'am, total how many questions?
10 questions, children, 10 questions. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Each question carries 1 mark, children. You have 10 marks test. The test will till 7:20. You be hurry and complete it step by step. So I can ask yours on your cam and you're supposed to submit your test.
Ma'am, is it compulsory for
yeah, you
steps,
have to write in your notebook, children. It's compulsory.
Ma'am, should we write steps, ma'am?
Yeah, steps also important, children. Because you can think it's an object, no, it's not a objective test, it's a subjective test. $76.5 divided with 0.15. Very important, children. That's why I'm giving stressing this.
Ma'am, you're giving all of the sums at division.
From textbook only, children. Same model. Divisions, different types of divisions. One is one decimal place on numerator and denominator also one decimal place. Another one is unequal number of decimal places. Like
Ma'am, so you have to send you in WhatsApp?
No, you should do in your notebook. I'm going to ask you on your cam and you have to show your answers. Then you have to correct yourself. I'm going to reveal answers on the screen. You need to now. Yes, Daksh. Yeah, that's all. These are the questions for you. Come on, dear children. The whole number part I did not give. Actually, I want to give one more question. There are 15 questions you can write, children. 0.
Questions are there? Ma'am, how many questions are there?
Only 10.
0.35 divided by 5.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
There are 15 questions, 15 marks, children. 3.96 divided by 4. 13th bit was 0.80 because every day we are not writing anything. That's why I want to make in your notebooks first of all. 14th question is
Ma'am, how many questions, ma'am?
15 questions. 7.9 divided by 1000. 15th last question is a very easy question I'm going to give to you. 0.56 divided by 10. No need for last few bits steps, children. You can do directly last few bits.
Ma'am, can you do just one on screen, ma'am? I'm kind of confused.
Huh? One?
Ma'am, can you do one on screen, ma'am?
1 hour?
Screen, ma'am. Ma'am, can you do one on screen, ma'am?
One screen?
One sum on the board.
Daksh, what is your doubt, Daksh? Can I go ahead with one note?
Ma'am, can you show one sum on screen?
You're not able to see my screen?
Ma'am,
You're able to see or not able to see, children?
ma'am, I'm able to see, ma'am.
Okay, then what's your doubt? The minimize
Ma'am, can you do one, ma'am?
one bit for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Which question you need?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm just kind of confused. Ma'am, can you just do the first one?
Yeah. Same thing you can see, children. Numerator was whole part, denominator was decimal number. You can by looking only you can 3.5 2 times. If you add 3.5 only, you will get 7, right? Yes or no? Or else,
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, you can go with procedure. So denominator is decimal number. Make as a whole part. Denominator, how many decimal places you have? Only 1. So you should multiply with the 10 on both sides to make as a whole part. Now 70 on numerator, this decimal move towards right side 35. 35 ones are 35 2 times.
Ma'am, this is a easy method, ma'am. You can forget about the dot, ma'am, and then you can simply multiply it, ma'am, and then add the
That
points.
is also fine, Jane. 3.5 twice only, it's 7. So 7 can be written as 7.0. So ones are directly also you can answer. That's also
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. That is also true.
Yes, ma'am. For fourth bit, like some other question comes in the two decimal digits, and for the division part,
Come on, children, your target is started right now. It's a
Yes, ma'am.
7-9 time. I can end my part by clear screen by Daksh. Hope it is clarified for your doubt. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you do the other bits?
Ma'am, can you show once again?
I think I'm sharing the screen, ma.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you do it once again?
Okay. Which one? First one only?
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh on the top I am doing, but you're not listening, Daksh, I thought. 7 divided by 3.5. This is your question. So denominator is what type of number? Decimal number. So to always you have to think denominator make as a like whole number part. To make as a whole part, you need to remove one decimal point. You have one decimal place here.
Yes, ma'am.
So what? How you can remove this decimal place? By multiplying with the 10 on both sides. By multiplying with the 10 on both sides, you can remove your decimal number part in denominator. So numerator 7 into 10 is 70. Denominator, if any number is multiplied multiple times, I said, any number is multiplied with the 10, decimal move shift towards one place right side. So it becomes
Okay, ma'am.
35. Now you can cancel 35 ones are 35 twos are 2 by 1.
Ma'am?
Yes, 2.
Ma'am, in second one, if we use the same thing, the answer would be like 180 by 1.
Exactly,
Okay.
Manish, because here in this case, 36 by 0.2, you have only one decimal place. So to remove that decimal point, you need to multiply on both sides. with
10.
360 divided by 2, you will get it's nothing but 180. Exactly.
180
Yes,
by
right, Manish.
1.
Correct. You are correct. Go with that. If you that you're comfort with that method, you can
So
go.
how would we get the answer, ma'am?
180 is the answer. That's all.
180.
Yeah, that's all. 180 is the answer for the number. You need to find coefficient.
But if we divide 36 by 0.2, like we are dividing 36, so it should be below 36, right?
Don't think, because it is one lesser number, right? It's not one. It's a very lesser number. When 0.2 is less than
1.
yeah. That's why don't think about answer. The procedure is very important, Manish.
Okay, ma'am.
Pragna, I think, are you there, Pragna? If you have any doubt, even I'll go with the third bit also. Third bit, you see, children, the third bit was 3.25 divided with 0.5. Only target number is denominator. Denominator, how many decimal places are there? Only one. So you should multiply with 10 to make as a whole number part of denominator. So now in this case, decimal move towards right side one place. So it becomes 32.5 divided with this multiplied with the 10 means it moves 5. Now it is normal division. 32.
Ma'am, where is 11th one, ma'am? Can you show us 11th one?
Okay, 1 minute. 0.35 divided by 5. Come on, children, can you do that like that? Please try it. Don't ask your doubt. If you have any doubt, please ask me so that I can help you. You can try it in your notebook. Put the date, today's date, and put the heading as decimal division, revision test. So you can take the question one, first question, solution, second question, solution. Come on, children, start doing on that.
I'm stuck in the fourth question,
Yours.
but I'll try to do it, ma'am.
Try it, Ashwath. I'm here to help you. Please try it. You at least your part of thinking should be done, or else in the examination also same way you can start. You can try. You can try. I'll be here with you. I'll help you later. You can try because denominator is 0.7. To make as a whole part, what you should do? You should multiply with 10 on both sides. If
I
you
got the answer.
oh, right.
Ma'am, you said 32.5 by 5, right? So which would be the numerator, which would be the dividend, and which would be the divisor?
Which one? None of which bit you are asking?
Like third one.
Ma'am, you were doing third one.
Third one is 3.25 divided with 0.5. Denominator is 0.5. Numerator is 3.25. Dividend and the divisor. Your divisor you need to make as a whole number. To make as a whole number, what number you should multiply, you can think. If you have only one decimal place, you should multiply with 10. If you have two decimal places, you should multiply with 100. Like that, you can go ahead. Children, any doubt, please ask me so that I can help you. Don't sit quietly. I'm here to help you. Amat, are you doing? Amat, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Any doubt? Any doubt, Amat?
Ma'am, I'll tell you once I'm done.
Yeah, please try. If you have any doubt, please unmute and ask me so that I can help
Ma'am?
you. Yeah, Rishi.
I'm done.
Rishi,
I'm
do
done,
all.
ma'am.
Wonderful. All 15 bits.
Yes, ma'am, all 15 bits.
All 15, please answers you post.
Should be done by now, but half of the time wasted in getting the book and then doing some stuff.
Okay.
Because I was
Ma'am?
thinking first
Yeah,
I
Rishi.
Ma'am,
was
like
trying
I'm-
to do it.
Ma'am, I want to ask, like, can I write, like, if 0.0, like that, if a number comes, can I write 0. Like 0.0? Ma'am, example like 0.027, can I write 0.027, ma'am?
Yeah, you can. You can. You can.
Okay.
Very good. You can. Don't think that is different. This is different. You can.
No, ma'am, because I learned somewhere, ma'am. I'm asking, can I write?
No, in physics also many questions are given by me. 0.72. 0.72 can be written as point.
Yeah, ma'am. In some quizzes also you.
Yeah, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma. Yes, yes, yes. Suhana,
Ma'am, done all sums.
who completed, ma'am, all sums done. Suhana, very good, Suhana. Can you unmute? Can you on your cam and can you submit your work?
Yes.
1 minute, Suhana. I'll just pause the screen so I can come to you.
Ma'am, after her, can I show?
Okay. Yeah, I can see Suhana was completed. Suhana, what is your first bit answer? Good. Suhana, what's your first? Or else please chart in your all 15 bits in the chat box, Nana. All 15 bits, please answers do in chart. Good, Suhana. Very good. Very good, Suhana.
Ma'am, charting means it will take some.
We'll
Ma'am, it will
appreciate
take some time.
Rishikesh and Suhana. Good.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Very good. I think 2 students completed. One
Yes,
is
ma'am. Ma'am, I
one is
also.
Rishi and another one is Suhana.
Ma'am, I'll show you, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. I'm here. I'm keeping. Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, yes, Nana.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go down once?
Wait, ma'am. Once I click, it will be like.
If you put in the chat box also one answer, even I can check, or else I'm giving answers. Once let me complete 7:25 so that I can give all answers. You have to correct yourself.
Ma'am, can I send in WhatsApp?
Yeah, you can take a pic and send it. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Even Suhana, you also do the same. No. Meanwhile, I'll check your
I
answer.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Which bit, Nana? Which
Wait,
bit
ma'am.
you have doubt?
Ma'am, third bit, ma'am. So I multiplied it.
Which one, ma?
Third, ma'am, I multiplied by 10, ma'am. I got 32 by 1.5 by 5, ma'am. So I got the answer 6.5, ma'am. So
Jane, which bit you have doubt? Please let me know.
third bit, ma'am. Ma'am,
See, look at the screen. Fourth bit I'm doing on screen. Please look at.
third bit, ma'am.
Yeah, please look at the. Children, mute your mic, children. Please.
Yes, sir.
If you have any one doubt like that, please ask me. Don't sit. Don't try like that. What
Ma'am,
I'm doing on screen,
third,
30.94 divided by 0.7.
Silent and overacting. I have pizza.
Rishikesh, please.
Rishikesh, what?
To remove decimal point.
Ma'am, can you give this as homework so that you will not, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
you can give it as homework so that we
No,
will.
I won't give as a homework. Simply you are relaxing. You are not at all sending any answer.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, but if we do it
I
like this,
want in class test. I want to test myself so that I can go ahead with one more chapter. If my students are honestly doing this perfect means I can go ahead. Now you have to see here. You need to do division, normal division, 309. 309.4 divide with the 7. Jane, please, 7 4s are 28. So 2 is left over. Bring down 9. Again, 7 4s are 28. 1 is left over. There is a decimal point. Is there? You need to place a decimal point there and bring down 4. 7 twice. 14. Remainder was 0. This is the answer for your fourth bit. How many of you got fourth bit? 44.2.
Ma'am, I got it as 44.2.
Very good, Mani.
Even me.
Very good. Now, come on, children. Please do the next two other bits. I want
Ma'am, even me.
each and every notebook, or else I'll call the parent today. Please do in your notebook.
Ma'am, after completing, we should
I'm
send in
doing
WhatsApp,
my
ma'am.
No, yes, you have to take an image and send it, or else please on your cam and supposed to submit. If I'm giving homework, what you are doing, you are not doing anything. You are simply coming back to the class.
Ma'am, can I send the answers in the chat box?
Yes, Manish. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. After I complete, I'll send it in the
Yeah,
chat.
okay, okay. Once you are completed, you can post here. If you have any difficulties, please share your question number so that I can help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Unmuted. Whose mic this is? Rishikesh, please mute your mic, Rishi. Come on, children. Rishikesh, please send your answers. I'm waiting for you. Yes, Samat was sending. Very good,
Ma'am,
Amat.
I have sent you, ma'am.
Amat.
Ma'am, this might take a lot.
Very good, Amat. All 5 bits, first 5 bits are correct. You can put tick and make a 5 marks for you. And come on, do the next.
Ma'am, I have sent you in WhatsApp, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. By my phone somewhere far, I'll get my phone to see.
Ma'am, it's so hard, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm in 10th question.
Ma'am, better it falls in WhatsApp, ma'am, because in chat means
Yeah,
type.
Rishikesh, you got 15 marks. Very good. Keep it up. Good work.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, for the fifth, ma'am,
Jane, which bit?
fifth bit, ma'am, so we have to multiply it by
100. Why? Because there are 2 decimal places.
okay,
Or
ma'am.
else by looking only, you can see this is sixth one. Children, listen here. Sixth one, there are numerator 2 decimal places are there. Denominator also 2 there. So you just neglect equal number of decimal places are there, means you just neglect decimal point and do normal division. 775 divided by 25. Because balancing number of decimal places on numerator and denominator, you just neglect the decimal places and do normal division. I'll appreciate Rishikesh was given correct all answers. And I am waiting for Daksha, Ashwath. Oh, Amat is sending the next 2 bits also.
Ma'am, until now I was doing mind calculation. Now I'm going to write it on paper.
Okay, okay. In mind calculation,
I'm
if you're
actually
doing,
also
please
get
post
marks.
your answers in the chat. Yeah, that is also more important, right? To do in mind.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I'm writing it on paper.
Okay, fine. Yeah, these are mental math questions, so not pen and paper. You can even think and do.
Ma'am, I did do it by thinking only, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. If it is over, I will move to the next chapter, children. 7:30, I can start new chapter. If you have any
Yeah, ma'am,
doubts,
7:30.
Sritan, are you doing or simply sitting?
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Very good, Pragnya.
Ma'am, I'm in sixth one, ma'am.
Pragna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am in
Okay. Try it, Pragna. Please don't waste your time, children. Please do it. If not, if you are not doing, today I'm going to call your parents, children, because they're trusting on us and they're leaving here. If you are not doing anything in front of the screen, so
Ma'am, in exhibit, ma'am, after dividing, I got.
Can I send in WhatsApp, ma'am?
yes, Pragna, yes.
Ma'am, after dividing, I got 31, ma'am. So, ma'am,
What you got?
31, ma'am. Should I write 0.0031, ma'am?
Which bit? 6-1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe it is correct only, Nana.
Yeah, ma'am, because our teacher told us and.
Yeah, it's correct only. Don't think, go with the next bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry about answers. If you are doing a procedure correctly, you are correct.
Ma'am, how many I got?
Manish, are you doing, Manish?
Yes, ma'am, I'm in sixth one.
Any doubt, Manish? Sixth one,
No,
no
ma'am.
need to do balancing number of decimal places. You just
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing the
do
same
it.
thing. I'm doing the same thing.
Suhana already sent answers. Good. And
Ma'am, I'm writing the 14th one. Now I need to
has
write.
not responded. So I want to call Daksh mother today.
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Children, why these fractions and decimals continuously teaching means this is most important chapter. Very, very important chapter. Not
Yeah,
only this year, more further in your future, very important topic this is. If you have any doubts, go. Yeah, please, Ashwat.
Ma'am, I'll send a picture to you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Ma'am, like we'll use decimals in our daily life also, ma'am.
Yeah, anywhere, not only here, Nana, when you are going to.
Ma'am, like when we go to a shop or like that.
Suhana is asking, ma'am, how many ma'am I did. Suhana, what is your 11th bit answer, please? Tell Suhana. 7. Huh?
Ma'am, can I go and have some water?
Yeah, please, Nana. 0.07. Very good, Suhana. Very good. I think you got full. Full out of 15. Good. Very fast. Very fast also you submitted your test. You and Rishikesh. Next one, if it is over, we'll go with the rational numbers or data handling, children.
Ma'am, I'll send it to you.
Data handling, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Third chapter, data handling, children. What is data? What is handling?
Ma'am, like a pictorial graph.
Yes. If any information you are collecting,
Ma'am, collecting raw information and ma'am, sorting.
organizing when you
Organizing.
Yeah, suppose if I'm asking you as Ashwat, how many of you like movies in your home? How many of you like serials in your home? How many of you like some other entertaining channel in your home? Like that, if I'm asking some data regarding to their interest, so you need to collect some raw data. You need to organize that data into a tabular form. So these are the family members interested towards their news. These are the family members interested towards their watching movies, and these are the family members they're interested towards educational channels. Like that, you can even not only your family, you can ask your friends in your class. So you can find out all friends your how many of you. Like that, even you can collect the raw data and you need to organize the data. Why we need to organize the data, children? Without organizing also you can answer, right?
Ma'am, by organization we'll get many other methods to solve, like.
The best example I'm going to tell you. From from Monday onwards, you have school. Because if you are keeping somewhere your books, uniform somewhere, your books are somewhere, your shoe and tie are somewhere, and your bag is somewhere. And if you are not going to keep anything ready for you by today or tomorrow, when you wake up immediately and the Monday morning, if without organizing, is it easy for you or it is difficult for you to go to school?
Difficult.
Difficult. That means what you are doing there, you are not at all organized the things, yes or no? So you people should be always organized in way. You need to manage your time. You need to check your duties, whether you are doing your duties on time or not. If any delayed, you need to complete by the end of the day. Like that, you need to fix some targets. You need to organize those things. Then only we can achieve easily. Suppose if you are keeping your books subject wise, this is math subject and math notebook, science subject, science textbook and notebook. Then any UT book they are asking you supposed to keep ready, and your socks should be ready. As a girl students, they can tie their ribbons. Everything should be ready. Or else, if without doing anything, immediately a Monday morning, Amma, I'm wake up at 7:30. My bus came. Where are my things? If you are doing, is it correct or else organizing things, everything perfect? Be ready for the, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Which one you are going to
Ma'am,
opt?
we need to put a
Organizing
time.
everything.
Which one you are
And,
going to opt? You are
keeping-
simply sitting and sleeping, and Monday morning you'll be asking your mother, where is my things? So that is correct, or else from today onwards, some things you be ready for your school is, which is a good thing.
From today onwards only.
Yeah, that is more important, children. That is more important. Organization of data. Not only don't learn from the textbook what you have to take your own examples. If you organize your data properly, if you collect your things properly, if you put those things properly, it is easy for you. You are be appreciable child in your class too by the teacher. Teacher is asking something, you are giving very fast and answers quickly. So teacher thought the child is ready to learn things. Very good. That is the way you be. Next, not only in this, we have different types of measures of central tendencies. We have arithmetic mean, median, mode. In this chapter, not only these things, even we are going to discuss about measures of central tendency. What is central tendency? Average. You know what is average marks of your class 6? What is your average marks of class 6? Means, suppose if I'm asking term 1 examination, Rishikesh scores was given. I'm asking what is the average score of last year's class 6 final exams? Means what you will do? What is the meaning of average, children? Sum of all the subject marks you need to sum up and divide with the number of subjects, you will get average score. Average is nothing but arithmetic mean, children. Then not only that, we have median is another measure of central tendency. Not only mean, median, we have mode is also one more measure of central tendency. Based on this, all we can measure the central tendency of the data. Not only this, choosing the correct measures of central tendency, which one is accurate, which one is correct. From this data handling chapter, using the given raw information after making your tabular format of your data, then you need to draw the bar graphs and double bar graphs too. How to represent the data? Why we need to draw bar graphs, children? Why we need to every day when cricket match is going on in the TV channel, TV news channel also, something, some bar graph was given. Why? Some line graph was given, some histogram was given, some circular chart was given. Why these all things are giving on screen? Did you observe the bar graphs are given in your Frequently we are seeing in newspapers also the population, or else some in some of the things like
Ma'am, even in elections, they'll count these
yes,
votes, ma'am.
very good. And where we are, why we need to use graph, no? Without graph also you can represent data, right? Why we need? Children, if you represent graphically, it is easy for you, children. It is easy for you understanding the data. It is easy for you answer the data quickly. If I'm going to draw a bar graph of different subject marks scored by Ashwath, if I'm showing the bar graph, which subject Ashwath scores maximum means, is it easy for you or not?
Yes, ma'am. Even
Easy
in
only.
report cards.
Is it easy? Yeah, even we see in report cards. Suppose which subject he scored least. Is it easy?
Ma'am, that would be social studies or not social, ma'am. Hindi.
Why the bar graph was given there? You can assess yourself. I'm scoring in mathematics a full score, so I got 100 out of 100. So I scored less in my science social subject. So I need to pay more attention on science subject. This is your understanding.
Ma'am, it can be expressed in different ways, like pie chart.
Yeah, there are different graphs you have.
Pictorial graph and
Pictograph,
and
bar
also
graph,
tally chart,
pie
ma'am.
chart,
Tally.
tally marks, circular, pie chart, and line graph. These are many ways of representing data. There are many ways. Till continuously you will learn in class 8 some, class 6.
I'm like showing a bar graph.
Class 7 some, class 8 some, class 9 some, class 10 till 10. Not only till 10, even 12th class also, 11th, 12th classes also you have. Even you have to draw your own bar graph for your time. Suppose I am spending 24 hours time. I am spending 8 hours for sleep, or else 2 hours for my science subject, 1.5 hours for my math subject, and more 3 hours for my physical activity like chess, badminton, swimming, or coco, whatever your physical activities. And by looking your bar graph, where you are wasting time also, you can assess I'm watching TV 5 hours. So like that, if you draw your own bar graph, is it easy where you are wasting your time, how you can cope up, how you have to put more effort on what and what topics. So you make more progress. These are the things, children. That's the data is very important. That to raw data, when you are collecting data, is it relevant to your needs? That is also more important. Don't collect unnecessary data. We don't want unnecessary data. Whatever the data fulfills our needs is more important. Okay, children. Once if you are completed this topic, we will go ahead with the data handling. Please complete the test first. I think my students are completed means I can go ahead with my data handling.
Ma'am, I'm in the 13th.
Ma'am, I'm about to send you to this WhatsApp, ma'am. I'm just writing all the answers
Good,
in a
good,
separate
Nana.
paper.
Good. Everyone's supposed to send. I know last year you are sending your homework part 2 every day regularly, but this year I did not see a single day also. I'm really feel so sad. Oh, I can see Amat was sending all 15 answers. Very good, Amat. Let me check by one. Very good. The 14th one was Amat.
Ma'am, I'll send you after the class.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Anish, yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can we have a quiz?
Yeah, 1 minute. We'll go with a small introduction part on data handling. What
Ma'am, we can go on introduction tomorrow. Can you give us quiz?
Yeah, ma'am, please, ma'am.
decimal division can you do?
Ma'am,
Or else all chapters together can I give?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
all chapters.
I'm running my camera to
Ma'am, I have got one, ma'am. Ma'am, I have got one.
Integers, fractions.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Integers, fractions, and decimals. 67
Yeah, please post it in the 1 minute. I'll make you co-host so that you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see, Jane, your work was doing very well. Because why I insist to write, nowadays we are not switching once.
Ma'am, I'll for the homework, ma'am, I could not type it in the chat, so I'll make a Word document.
What?
I'll send both the PDF, ma'am, and Word document.
Very good, Nana. Very good. You are so fast. I did not get any answer from Sritan. And Suhana was Pragna and Sritan.
Ma'am, I'm in 13th one, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. It's Rishikesh. Rishikesh, I made just please.
No, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, 10th, 14th, and 15th are easiest ones.
Ma'am, once I
14
started.
and 15 are more easier. By looking only, you can answer.
Yes, ma'am. 10th, 14, and 15.
Right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Student introduction part I need to discuss today, so that I thought like that. Okay, anyway, you can even do that part also.
And that's 67.
What is then organizing data? Just now I said a best example. Without organizing your books, what happened? You know very well. Morning, there is a big fight in front of when you're going. Mother is shouting on you. Why you don't care about your books? Why are you asking me? Mom is giving answer. Father is busy with going to office.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. It's loading.
There are many. So organizing things is more important, children. Same way you can organize your books in proper way in your home. You can organize your things. After coming to your school, you just keep your things like shoes and everything in the rack like organizing way. Don't leave as it is where you are reading books. So you can close it properly and put it in the rack. Your laptop.
Yes,
Everything.
ma'am. It came up.
Okay. Then did you post it?
Rishikesh, is it big?
It is 67 questions, sir.
Did you post it,
Okay.
my dear Rishikesh?
Good.
Ma'am, I'm posting it, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Chat. Everyone in the meeting. Paste.
In that tally marks, we have children how to represent the data using tally marks. And what is the range? What is the range? Range means highest observation minus least observation. And measures of central tendency. What is the measure of central tendency? What are the different measures of central tendency? As I said, arithmetic mean, median, and mode. These are the new words, children. Measure of central tendency. Please.
Ma'am, I and Sritan joined, ma'am.
Okay,
and
where you
Pragna.
posted, even I will also come to you.
Ma'am, will you also join and
Ma'am,
play?
I gave the answer.
Ma'am, will you also join and play, ma'am?
Where
What,
he
ma'am?
where he posted, I did not receive any link.
Ma'am, in chat I have posted, ma'am.
Ma'am, in chat he posted.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I have to
Copy paste.
repost? Ma'am, I have reposted.
Ma'am, will you also join and play?
Yeah, I'll come to you, but you are so fast. Okay, yeah, I got.
Rishikesh, do not start it. I'll get my pen. Get another rough.
Just a minute, children. Please give some time to me. I need to stop the recording. Okay.